We've all seen them, haven't we? Those endless online promises. Get rich quick, especially now with AI everywhere. Makes you wonder if anything out there actually, works. Build something real.
Oh, totally. It's a minefield. But what if I told you there's like a quiet revolution happening, a method for automated video content that actually builds sustainable income? And you don't need a camera or fancy editing skills. It's kind of wild.
Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're really unpacking a fascinating blueprint for using AI to create exactly that kind of content. Automated video.
Yeah.
It's based on this comprehensive guide you shared, a proper deep dive.
Yeah, think of it like a shortcut. Building an online business by turning simple ideas into content for multiple platforms. We're going to cover why this isn't just another shiny object, how to find your product, the AI tool doing the heavy lifting,
Right.
crafting your voice, making the videos great, getting them seen, and importantly, the reality check, the common traps.
Okay, so our mission today is to give you the exact steps from finding that niche, that idea, all the way to publishing your first video. So you can build something genuinely valuable. All right, let's start there. Why does this specific method work when so many online things feel like, well, smoke and mirrors?
Okay, so the numbers here, they really tell a story. And it's not just fluff, simple, helpful videos about common health stuff. They're exploding. We're talking real examples, like 1.3 million views on a YouTube short,
Wow.
15.7 million on a TikTok, and over 140K on an Instagram reel. And these aren't big celebrity accounts, just regular people using AI smartly.
Okay, 15 million on TikTok. So what's the secret sauce there? What's the core reason these connect so well?
It boils down to creating valuable content for evergreen problems, things people always search for. Think knee pain, back pain, managing diabetes. These aren't trends that just vanish, right? They're persistent issues, real problems affecting millions. When someone's in pain or dealing with a health thing, they're not just browsing, they're searching for relief. They're motivated, often willing to pay for a solution.
So it taps into enduring, deeply felt human needs. That makes sense.
Precisely. You're solving real problems.
Okay, so every business needs a product. Here, we're talking affiliate marketing, promoting someone else's thing for a cut. Why that route specifically for this AI video model?
It's strategic, yeah. Affiliate marketing lets you skip all the hard parts of creating your own product, dealing with inventory, customer service, all that jazz. You focus purely on the content and the audience. It's leverage.
Okay.
So to find these products, head over to clickbank.com. It's a big, reputable affiliate marketplace. You just go to marketplace, then health and fitness, and then drill down into remedies.
Remedies specifically. Why zero in on that? Isn't that a crowded space?
That's a fair question. But pain is a huge motivator. Doesn't matter if you're 25 or 75. If something hurts, you want a solution. And you'll often buy one. Plus, these remedy products, they often pay really well, like $50, sometimes up to $90 per sale.
Wow.
And the key to cutting through the noise, the saturation concern, look for a high gravity score on ClickBank. That score tells you other affiliates are already successfully selling that product. It validates demand, shows it converts.
So the gravity score is crucial. It shows proven demand and means it actually converts viewers into buyers.
Exactly. It's your market research shortcut, basically.
All right, segment 3. This is where the AI magic really seems to happen. In video.io, tell us about that.
Yeah, in video. Think of it as like your entire professional video production team, all in one place. It's your scriptwriter, your editor, your voiceover artist, your stock footage library, everything. And it costs about $20 a month. Yeah. It creates professional-looking videos just from simple text prompts you give it. What's really powerful isn't just the automation, it's how it makes pro-level content accessible to anyone. You don't need a whole team anymore.
So InVideo basically takes your text idea and turns it into a polished video, handling all the technical stuff.
Pretty much sums it up. It's remarkable, really.
Okay, this next step sounds, well, kind of sci-fi, but really interesting. Cloning your own voice.
It is cool, right? But super practical here. Inside InVideo, you go to Voices, click Add Voice. You just record yourself reading about 30 seconds of text, including a little consent line they give you.
Okay.
And in like a minute, maybe less, it creates a digital clone of your voice, captures your tone, your pacing. It's pretty wild.
How does cloning your voice really set you apart, though? Especially for sensitive topics like health advice. Does it still sound human, trustworthy?
Great point. That's why it's so key. Using your own voice, even cloned, builds instant authenticity. It makes you sound like a real person, a credible source, not just some anonymous account spitting out facts. And you can tweak it later, add emphasis, change the tone with commands. Whoa! Imagine scaling to 1 billion queries with your own cloned voice. Beat. That builds a real brand, a consistent, unique sound.
Okay, so cloning your voice is about building that crucial audience trust and creating a unique, consistent brand identity.
Yeah, it's your personal signature on the content.
Now, the fun part, maybe, crafting the prompt, putting your product idea and your cloned voice together, this seems critical.
It absolutely is. The prompt is your main way of talking to the AI. Think of it like giving instructions to a super smart assistant. The clearer you are, the better the result. Garbage in, garbage out, you know?
Right.
So here's a structure that works really well for this. Produce a 60-second Instagram video highlighting 5 simple steps anyone can take today to reduce knee pain. Present the information in bullet points. Use my voice, your cloned voice name, say specific.
And then in video ask us clarifying questions.
Exactly. Simple stuff like who's the target audience? Adults with knee pain. What's the look and feel? Maybe clean. What platform? Instagram Reels.
Okay.
And bam! In minutes, you get a full video. Your voice, relevant stock clips, background music, text overlays, editing. All done.
So the secret to a good prompt is being really specific and giving clear instructions on what you want the AI to create.
You got it. Clarity is king.
In video isn't just generating it and you're stuck, though. You mentioned being the director. How does that work?
Yeah, this is powerful. At the bottom of the editor screen, there's just a command box, like a chat window. You type in plain English what you want changed.
Like what?
Like, make the tone more encouraging, or, hey, add a joke there, or maybe change the third point to be about stretching instead. You can click on any video clip and tell it to find something else, like a person jogging in a park. You can edit the script text directly, change the music. It's amazing control without needing, a film degree.
And you mentioned translation. It keeps your voice style, even in Spanish or German. 2-sec silence. That's impressive. I still wrestle with prompt drift myself sometimes, getting the AI to really nail the nuance. So this refinement step. Yeah, that sounds golden.
Totally. And that's the biggest takeaway here. You fine-tune with simple commands, not complex editing software skills. You just need to know what you want.
So you got this polished, professional video. Now, how do you actually turn it into that multi-platform money machine you mentioned?
Right. First, download it. Then upload it everywhere that matters for short video. YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, TikTok, Facebook Reels. Hit all of them.
Okay.
But here's the crucial bit. The Linktree multiplier strategy. This is where you really leverage things. You use a free service like Linktree to create one single link for your bio. But that one link doesn't just go to your knee pain product. It opens up a little menu with multiple related affiliate products. So maybe it has the knee pain relief, but also the back pain remedy, and maybe a diabetes management guide.
So Linktree lets you offer multiple solutions from that single bio link, maximizing the potential earning from every viewer who clicks.
Exactly. Someone interested in knee pain might also have back pain, right? You're turning one click into a chance to solve multiple problems for them and earn multiple commissions. It's about maximizing that audience attention.
That's smart. Converting one link into a whole hub of potential solutions and revenue streams.
It really scales things up.
Okay, consistency. You hear this all the time online. How do you actually build a sustainable content system here?
It's all about batching. Plan your content in weekly chunks. So week 1, maybe you create 5 videos all about knee pain. Week 2, 5 videos about back pain, and so on.
Right.
Each video, once you get the hang of in video, seriously only takes like 5, maybe 10 minutes to generate and tweak. It's super efficient.
Any pro tips for making that even easier?
Yeah, use a template structure. Like, stick to that 5 simple things anyone can start today to ease condition format. Just swap out the condition, knee pain, back pain, shoulder pain, whatever your product is. It builds volume fast without you having to reinvent the wheel every single time.
So the most vital habit here is just that consistent daily posting, using a systematic, repeatable approach.
Absolutely. Systematize and execute.
All right, let's do the reality check. Because, we need to be straight with people. This isn't push-button riches, is it?
Absolutely not. Let's be super clear. This takes work.
Right.
You probably need, realistically, 30 to 60 minutes a day. There's a small learning curve, maybe a week, to feel comfortable with ClickBank and in video. You must be consistent daily. And you need patience.
Patience
Meaning it might take 2, maybe 3 months before you see significant income coming in. It's not overnight. But here's the flip side where it gets really interesting. You're actually helping people with real ongoing problems. That feels good. And the potential numbers. They're encouraging. Even being conservative, say 1,000 views per video. That could realistically mean around $70 per video in commissions, depending on the product. Post one video a day, that's potentially $2,100 a month. And it scales. More views, more potential income.
So the true measure of success isn't just money. It's building sustainable, predictable income by actually solving real problems for people.
Yeah, it's a genuine win-win when done right.
Okay, so let's say someone's doing this, they're getting consistent, maybe making some money. How do they take it to the next level? Advanced strategies.
Good question. First up, the authority play. Start using InVideo to create longer videos, maybe 5 to 10 minutes long for YouTube. Go deeper into the topics. This establishes you as more of an expert, builds deeper trust.
Makes sense. What's next after becoming more of an authority?
Email list. You have to build an email list. Offer something free and valuable in your link tree, like download my free guide, 5 foods that eliminate knee pain. People give you their email, and now you have a direct line to them. You own that relationship, not the social media platforms. It's gold.
Okay, authority, email list, and the final piece.
The upsell. Once you have that list, that direct connection, you can sometimes work with the product creators. Maybe get exclusive discount codes for your audience, or offer special bonuses only they can get through your link. This dramatically boosts conversion rates.
So beyond just the affiliate commissions, the long game is building that deep audience trust and creating multiple, more resilient income streams.
Exactly. You're building real digital assets then, not just chasing clicks.
Now let's talk mistakes. Because many people try stuff like this and, well, they fizzle out. What are the common pitfalls that kill success here?
Okay, yeah, let's cover these. Mistake number 1, trying to promote everything. Spreading yourself too thin, you gotta focus. Pick one niche, like knee pain, and become the go-to resource first. Dominate that before you even think about adding back pain or something else.
Makes sense. What's 2?
Mistake 2, being cheap on the tools. Not getting that $20 InVideo plan. Seriously, that little watermark, it just screams amateur and kills your credibility instantly. It's worth the small investment.
Okay. 3.
Inconsistent posting. The algorithms need consistency. You post daily for a week, then vanish for 3 days. You're basically telling the platform your content isn't reliable. They won't show it as much.
Number 4.
Only posting on one platform. You made the video. Put it on YouTube Shorts, Insta Reels, TikTok, Facebook Reels. Maximize your reach with minimal extra effort.
And the last one, mistake 5.
Not engaging with comments. People ask questions, leave feedback, talk back to them, respond. You're building a community, not just throwing content into the void. Engagement matters.
So boiling it down, the biggest killers are usually a lack of sharp focus on a niche and just inconsistent action across all platforms.
Pretty much. It's usually about execution, not the core idea.
All right, let's bring it home. A step-by-step action plan. Someone's listened to this, they're inspired. What do they do today?
Okay, literally today. Sign up for a free ClickBank account. Sign up for a free InVideo account. Browse ClickBank. Find one potential remedy product with a decent gravity score. Use InVideo and the prompt structure we talked about. Create your first video. It doesn't have to be perfect. And set up a free Linktree page. Just get those pieces in place. Action.
Okay, that's today. What are the rest of this week to build momentum?
This week, aim to create 5 videos total focused on that one condition you picked. Set up your social media profiles if you don't have them, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. Upload those 5 videos across all platforms. And crucially, go into InVideo and clone your voice. Get that done.
And then looking out over the next month, what's the commitment?
This month, the big commitment is posting one new video every single day. Consistency. Spend maybe 15 minutes a day checking comments, engaging with people. Start paying attention to which videos do best, what topics, what hooks. Learn from your data. And add maybe 2 or 3 more related products to your Linktree page to start multiplying those potential income streams.
So if there's one single thing someone should do right now, literally as they finish listening.
Stop learning, stop researching, go create that first video, seriously. Action trumps everything else right now.
Okay, wrapping up. This system seems to work because it tackles 3 core challenges head-on, doesn't it? Content creation.
Right, AI does the heavy lifting there.
Audience building.
Because you're targeting people actively looking for solutions to specific problems.
And monetization.
Promoting good products that people actually want and need through affiliate marketing. It's a solid loop.
It's not going to make anyone a millionaire overnight, as you said. Let's be real about that.
Nope. But it can build a sustainable, respectable online income. And you're providing real value, helping people. That's pretty cool. It's about building something durable, something meaningful, not just chasing a quick buck.
And maybe the biggest mistake, the thing that holds most people back from any online venture like this, is getting stuck. Stuck in learning mode, never actually creating anything.
Exactly. You now have the literal step-by-step blueprint. We've laid it all out. The only question left really is, are you actually going to use it? Don't let wanting it to be perfect stop you from just starting.
Right.
Create something today. Even if it's rough, you can improve it tomorrow. The opportunity's here. The tools are cheap, accessible. The only thing missing, it's your action.
Well, we hope this deep dive has provided some real clarity, maybe some inspiration, and definitely that push to take action.
Yeah, absolutely. Join us next time for another deep dive into more fascinating ideas. Out to your own music.